So we're right in the middle of making some of these little scale Hoonigan license plates, and a lot of people have kind of asked about this. So this is just a Hoonigan decal sheet that we got from Hoonigan.com, which I'll put a link in the description. And then this is just a piece of some Plasticard that we got from Amazon. And Plasticard is basically just cardstock that's plastic that comes in different thicknesses. And what you do is these decals have like a back sheet and then little outline decals. So put the first one on and then the outline decal around, and then we'll come back through with a razor and cut them. So I'm going to do another one right here and kind of show you guys the process. We'll do this plate with that background and then do it right here, and then we'll cut all three out and show you guys how that works. We'll do this black plate. So we'll peel off this sticker. And then we'll take the little license plate frame. So because that's a black plate, we'll use the white frame here. Just eyeball it the best you can, but we'll just stick that directly over the top like so. I will say that this Hoonigan sticker pack's definitely well thought out. I think that there's some companies that just rush too quick to jump on the RC bandwagon and don't actually size their stuff proper, but these are legit. It's a well thought out kit. Good colors. Looks the part. There we go. I'm basically just gonna freehand these, so nothing too crazy. And then we got our little license plates on that Plasticard. Makes them a little thick, so it's actually like, you know, something a little substantial. And then I'll just take a Sharpie pen and just kind of drag it on the edge. And there you go. There's your little scale license plate. And that's all you need, just a couple decal sheets and some Plasticard and a Sharpie, and you're off to the races. So thanks for watching. Catch you guys later. Peace.